So you guys read the title. Yes, I'm pretty sure that OLED is going to be mainstream. It's going to be used everywhere. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I had the idea, right? Like, I know OLED is going to be used everywhere, but I couldn't come out. I couldn't really come out. I really couldn't come. God damn! First reason I got 5 good reasons. The last one is gonna surprise you of why I think OLED is gonna be the best thing in the world and is gonna be utilized everywhere. So firstly, prices keep dropping on these OLED monitors.
Man, that's a damn lie. Look how expensive these monitors are, bro. Oh my god. And I had asked ChatGPT if they were getting cheaper and they said it was, bro. I swear I'm not gonna pay that subscription no more.
Because the OLED I got so far is the Asus ROG 27-inch OLED monitor with a 0.3 millisecond response time, 240 hertz, and it is 1440p. I bought it during Black Friday and I got it for $499.
Don't believe my lying ass. Look how much I got for $546. God damn!
Which is pretty cheap.
God damn!
Now it's not so cheap because obviously it's not on the Black Friday sale no more. It is going for around $599, but back then, back in like 2016, 2008.
Bro, how would people even get around back then? Let alone have OLED monitors. How would you know like where the nearest bathroom is? How would you know where the nearest restaurant is? So many people there too. What the
OLED monitors were going for a pretty hefty price, especially the TVs are going for like up to $3,000 to $5,000 only for like a 50-inch display, you know. But this one being 27 inches 6 years ago, they were going for almost $1,000. Like if you had an OLED monitor, bro, you were rich. Like you basically could have bought a car, but no, you wanted an OLED monitor so you can show off to your friends. But now prices every single year have been dropping steadily, and that's why I really think they're going to become utilized everywhere. Number 2, you got your LCD screens and your IPS screens are backlit, meaning the blacks are truly not black and the color of the monitor kind of seems washed out. For instance, if you guys are watching a movie, whether it be in the dark or in a lit room, you kind of see a little bit of grayness, a little bit of washed out colors. And yes, that is because your screen is backlit, meaning the entire screen even being off. For my 3rd reason, every single premium device uses an OLED display, whether it be an LG phone, Apple, Samsung. I'm pretty sure Samsungs were the first one to implement the OLED technology into their phones because yes, Apple does buy the OLED screens that are used on Apple devices from Samsung themselves, which kind of defeats the purpose of their little rivalry because they're basically supporting their production of OLED screens. But I guess, you know, they're delegating it, so it's a win-win, right? Every single device is starting to use it, and that's a good thing because they know the quality of these screens are amazing. Number 4, well, it kind of blends into number 3. Like I said, every single phone is starting to use it, especially over the past 10 years. Like I said, Samsung being the first device to ever implement OLED into their screens, and then Apple and now LG, and every single TV you guys buy from now on is advertised as an OLED, and then it sells you out with the other thing, you know, 120 hertz, stuff like that. So yeah, OLED, very big factor that in the near future is going to be optimized everywhere. And my last and final reason, number 5, manufacturers are betting on OLED. They're dumping billions into manufacturing OLED displays because, like me, a visionary, they're gonna see that OLED will be used everywhere. I'm not sure if my Apple Watch has an OLED device on it. I don't think it does, but it kind of seems like it does. But even those little devices will have OLED. Like I'm starting to see keyboards have OLED. Like it's crazy how you can implement OLED everywhere. Even like, I don't know if you guys have seen the CPU coolers, they're implementing LCD screens, and I'm sure sooner or later they're gonna implement OLED to their coolers, to their CPU coolers. If you guys are wondering what companies are implementing or dumping billions into OLED, you got Bo, which is China's biggest screen companies that are dumping billions, and Samsung, LG, Apple. They're all just dumping. Those are my notes for the day. You guys are the best. I love you guys. What do you guys think? Is OLED going to be the best thing in the world? Because I think it is. Like, it's literally making this channel blow up just because I bought an OLED display and I'm telling everybody about it. But yeah, I love OLED so much. And I also love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me and my crazy ideas. You guys are the best. Take care.